Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture I am going to discuss about Laplace transform of periodic signal. How we can find its Laplace transform when a signal is periodic. We can explain it by an example. Let a signal txt this one is a signal and its period is t. Its period is t. Then how we can find its Laplace transform? So for finding its Laplace transform, at first we have to find Laplace transform of this signal. Let it is f1t. That is, we have to find at first Laplace transform of a periodic signal of unit cycle. This is unit cycle signal. It is f1t. Here its amplitude is a. So at first we have to find Laplace transform of this signal. Let Laplace transform of this signal is f1s. Then Laplace transform of entire periodic signal will be f1s multiplied by 1 minus e to the power minus st. This is Laplace transform of entire periodic signal. So at first we have to find Laplace transform of this signal. So for finding its Laplace transform, at first we have to find its equation. How we can find its equation? Its equation can be found by some signal. If we multiply two signal, it is a elementary signal 0 t and a. It is the signal of which we have to find its Laplace transform. So how we can find its equation? We have to multiply this signal by a rectangular signal that exists at time t. Let this one is x1t and this one is x2t, and its slope will be same as previous signal. If we multiply this signal, then we will get this one. So f1t, so ft equal to x1t multiplied by x2t. So what will be the equation of this signal? Equation of this straight line will be x2t equal to a by t into t, as we know that its slope is a by t. In previously we have assumed that slope of both signal will be same. So its equation will be this one. And what will be its equation? x1t will be, its amplitude is 1, then x1t will be ut minus t. If we multiply this signal x1t, x2t. If we multiply both signal, then we will get resultant signal. So how we can find its Laplace transform? We can find Laplace transform of f1t equal to, let f1s equal to Laplace transform of this signal ut minus t. We have to find Laplace transform of this signal. So how we can find Laplace transform of this signal? We can find its Laplace transform by linearity property, where we can separate this signal at ut minus t, imply by linearity property we can find Laplace transform of these individual signal separately. This one and this one, as we know that it is constant, so we can put it outside. It is impulse signal, so we know that its Laplace transform is 1 by s square. So it is also constant, so we have to find Laplace transform of tu t minus t. We know that Laplace transform of ut minus t is e to the power minus st multiplied by 1 by s. So at first we have to differentiate this signal with respect to s by taking minus or minus sign outside. It is property of differentiation in s domain. A by t 1 by s square minus minus plus a by t, it is constant, and d by ds of this term. So here both s are present, so it is differentiation of two function. How we can differentiate this term? We have to differentiate first this term. Its differentiation is minus t multiplied by e to the power minus st and 1 by s plus we have to differentiate this term. This one is minus 1 by s square and it is e to the power minus st. If we take common a by t multiplied by 1 by s square, then we get term 1 minus e to the power minus st minus st into e to the power minus st. This one, it is Laplace transform of one cycle of a periodic signal. So Laplace transform of entire periodic signal xs will be a by t 1 by s square 1 minus e to the power minus st minus st e to the power minus st. This can be multiplied by 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus st. This one. This is Laplace transform